Hey y'all, welcome to Humming Catfish. Today we're going to be canning cranberry sauce. So get washed up, grab your cranberries, and let's go. In today's video, I'm going to be using two types of lids, a reusable lid and a disposable lid. These are the bands that will be used with both types of lids. These are the disposable lids, these are the reusable lids, and these are the reusable gaskets. Okay, so let's get our jars washed up, and then we're going to put them into the water bath canner and let that boil for 10 minutes to sterilize them. While the lids in the jars are sterilizing, let's get started making the cranberry sauce. Everyone laughs. I use the biggest pot when I'm cooking anything with sugar in it. My arms still bear the scars of the peach butter incident. I used a pot that I thought was plenty big, and when that stuff gets to bubbling, it spurts everywhere. So just use some caution, maybe go a little bit bigger than you need. We're gonna do equal parts sugar and water. So I'm gonna be doing 8 cups of sugar and 8 cups of water. Give this a little stir. Probably couldn't see that, but we got a simmer going. While we're waiting for that, let's go ahead and rinse our cranberries. Each bag of cranberries is 3 cups, and I need 16 cups. So I'm going to use 5 of the bags whole, and then just get 1 cup from this other bag. The timer just went off, so we are going to add our cranberries to the sugar water. Okay, the berries have all popped. We got a nice simmer going. We're going to do that for 15 minutes. And at this point, if you wanted to add cinnamon sticks, go ahead and add them. I'm going to be adding 4 of these small ones. If you have the long cinnamon sticks, I would probably do 2. In the final couple minutes of cooking the cranberry sauce, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of orange zest. So if you have your oranges, now is the time to zest. Okay, we have our 15 minutes. I checked it. It is nice and bubbly and thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the orange zest, give it a stir, and let it go for about a minute or 2. So I have my work table covered in towels. You don't ever want to put a hot jar onto like a cold, hard surface. It'll crack it. So I always put some towels down. Kind of keeps it clean too. I'm gonna put a lid on here, followed by a lid. Just fingertip tighten it. So, take a gasket, nice and warm. Put it on the lid like so. Now doing the bands on these reusable lids is a little bit different. What you want to do is put the band on, put your finger in the middle, Tighten it till it starts turning. That's it. You do not want to over tighten these. So band on, finger in the middle, till it starts turning on its own. I am going to let that come to a boil, and we are going to process that for 15 minutes. Here's a fun fact. Oh, shit, the house. Cranberry gets its name from the German and Dutch settlers. They originally thought that the cranberry flowers looked like crane heads, so they called it cranberries. The 15 minutes is up. I gave them 5 minutes to chill out, and now I'm going to take them out. These all look really good. One thing you want to do with the reusable lid, take a towel, so just pick it up carefully and tighten the lid. And also for the reusable lids, you want to cover them with the towel as they cool off. I'm going to let these cool down overnight, and then tomorrow we will check. There goes another one. I love that sound. We will check to see how everything's sealed up, because I'm not going to leave that part out. Here's another fun fact. Some of the cranberry patches that are still in use today are over 100 years old. The oldest one is in Wisconsin, and it's 189 years old. These cooled down a lot quicker than I thought they would. So let's see what we got here. Let's try our first with the disposable lid. Oh, a nice seal. Okay, let's go for one of the reusable lids. Good seal. We had a 100% success rate with the lids. I love when that happens. Now, if you've been a little bit hesitant about using the reusable lids, I hope maybe this video helped a little bit. That's all I got for y'all today. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. And if you like what I'm doing, I surely would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. So until next time, I'll see y'all later.